In this video, I'll show you how to fix the PayPal error that says, "We can't send your payment right now." First, log into your PayPal account using the app or website. Check the top of the home screen and the resolution center for any alerts. If your account is limited, unverified, or under review, PayPal may block outgoing payments until you complete the required steps. Next, make sure your email is confirmed and your bank account or card is linked and verified. If a card has expired, was replaced, or is blocked by your bank, PayPal can't use it to send money, and the payment may fail. Now, check the amount and currency you're trying to send. Make sure you have enough balance or an approved funding source, and that you're not hitting any sending limits or trying to pay someone in a country or category that PayPal restricts. If everything looks fine, try again without a VPN, switch to a different browser or device, and make sure your name, address, and details look normal and not high risk. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.